Hi remodeling fans, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens Etc. And today we are talking about shower heads. So let's talk about them. Shower heads, what do they do? Who are they? What are they feeling inside? The difference between a regular shower head and a hand shower, that's really what I want to talk about, okay? The regular shower head, imagine just this, not the hose and everything, just this sticking out of the wall, right? That's your regular shower head. It's functional, right? You can sometimes move it around or whatnot, but it pretty much just stays in that same spot. You have to have it at the whatever height your plumber puts it in at. Typically, the stubbed out at 84 inches is the new height that's really popular, and then it comes down from there. What I like about a hand shower is that you can see that I have the same valve fixture running a hand shower that I could to run a shower head, right? So you got a single valve, so it doesn't cost you any more for the plumbing, the rough plumbing part and this part. This part costs a little extra, obviously, because it's not just a shower head, but it's so much more functional than a regular shower head, right? First of all, having it on a slide bar is very cool. You can slide it up and down, so you have someone who's, not as tall, right? Vertically challenged, some people call them. You have it for somebody like me who's a little bit taller. You have a different angle that you can put this at, which is really nice, right? And I like this shower head by Moen. This has a multifunction spray head on it, which is even cooler because then it gives you multiple spray functions. But that you can get on a regular shower head as well. The real key is this thing right here. You can take it off and now you can hose things down, you can hose yourself down, you can use it as a microphone. There's so many different things you can do with it besides just a regular boring shower head. So that's the advantage of a hand shower over a shower head. Hope you learned something and good luck on your next remodeling project. See you next time. It should hold the weight, yeah.
If not, I need to go to the gym.
You gotta go to a different contractor.
Yes.
Hi remodeling fans, that's what I was thinking. Hand showers versus shower heads. Today we're talking about, what are we talking about? We're talking about shower heads. All right, yeah, that's what I want to say. Okay. And let's talk about this. Oh, I don't have the mic on. Yep, so we can forget all that. Okay, this is the problem. See this? No, I'm just kidding. It's not a problem, it's easy. So that is the advantage of shower. That's the advantage. Okay, let me. Yeah. We're breaking character here. All right.